what you want to do is you want to restart, but when you restart, you want to be holding Shift. And one thing you might realize is if you're having problems with this process and you have multiple monitors plugged in, go ahead and unplug your secondary monitor and just use one monitor, because sometimes the screen we're looking for will not actually come up when you have multiple monitors plugged in, or a television plugged in, or something like that. Now, on this screen here, we want to go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Startup Settings. And then we hit Restart. Now you wait for the screen to come up. And this is what we see. So the one you're looking for is number 7, Disable Driver Signature Enforcement. Hit 7, it'll restart again. And driver signature enforcement will be disabled at this point. Now, alternatively, what you can do if you are having problems having that second screen come up, that blue screen with the option on it, you could go ahead and just hit 7 if it comes to a black screen instead, and it'll do the same thing. Have a good day.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags.